Welcome to Creative World viewers. Today I will solve exercise problem number 26. We will be using electrical power formula voltage multiplied by current. We also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and the element with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First, read the scenario. Element B in the diagram in figure 1.26 supplies 72 watt. This element B is supplying 72 watt of power. Calculate Ix. We have to calculate the current. Element B is supplying power, voltage across this element, and the direction of current. These three parameters are most important to solve this scenario. Without wasting time, let's proceed towards its solution. I have redrawn the circuit here. Power of this element is given, and because this element is supplying power, that's why its power is taken with negative sign. Voltage across this element is also mentioned, and the direction of current is indicated by this black arrow. We have to calculate current Ix through this element B. The data which we retrieved from this question is power minus 72 watt, which is being supplied by element B, and voltage across this element which is 18 volt. Using power formula voltage multiplied by current, we have the value of power and voltage. Entering these values into equation, and here current is taken with minus sign because the current is entering from minus terminal of element B and leaving from positive terminal of element B. And according to passive sign convention theory, if the current is entering from minus terminal of an element and leaving from positive terminal of that element, it will be taken with minus sign. Solving this equation, this minus Ix is multiplied with 18 and minus 18 is divided on both sides to calculate the value of Ix. And the value of Ix is 4 ampere. Thank you. See you in next video.